Hello everybody, and today we're going to solve this equation, the square root equation, to find the value x. So what is the x is? So I'm going to rewrite this equation again. For this equation, we can see that at the left hand side is the square root, and we have no idea to do the next step. So the first, we have to power by 2 on the square root, and both sides we have to do the same. Then we're going to change this value to the 5 powered by 4, which is equal to the 625. And we do this because of most of the equation have the 5 value, you see. So we can do the next. Let me show about the formula. So a powered by m, the whole thing's powered by n, and then equal to a powered by m multiplied by n. So you can see 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4. And the square root powered by 2 is gonna be removed. Okay, so we're gonna do the next step. So it do the same things that we have seen the formula. So we have to multiply. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Okay. Then we want to remove the denominator on the left hand side to the right hand side. So we have to multiply both sides, left hand side and right hand side. So at the left hand side is gonna be removed because it's equal to 1. And then it's gonna be appear on the right hand side. Then at the right hand side we're going to keep the same, but at the right hand side we have to distribute two properties. Okay, so 5 powered by 4 multiplied by 5 powered by 2x, and then sum with 5 powered by 4. Now we can see both sides have 2x. Okay, 5 powered by 2x. So we're going to write down like this. Okay, so now we want to move this value to the another side. So we have to minus this side, the right hand side, and then we have to, you can see minus. So we have to minus on the left hand side as well. Okay. So now we can remove this. You can see minus and sum, we can remove it. So at the left hand side we're going to have this value equal to 5 powered by 4. Because of this gonna be removed. Okay. So next we're going to do this one. We can see we're going to remove it, so we have to do the same. We have to minus at the left, so we have to minus at the right. So at the left is going to be removed because 5 powered by 8 is going to be removed. Okay, but we remain on the right hand side. X value, we have the x value at the left hand side only. So now we're going to factoring the value 5 powered by 2x. It's gonna be remaining 1 minus 5 powered by 4. So at the right hand side we can do that. You can see, so this one we can write at the form a powered by m multiply a powered by n, so equally to a powered by m plus n. So 8 we can say 4 sum with 4. Okay, you can see, okay, it is same. It's still the same in the previous equation. So now we can rewrite it by factoring it. 5 powered by 4 is remaining 1 minus 5 powered by 4. Okay, so at the left hand side we can see we have 1 minus 5 powered by 4. So we can see we're going to remove that because both side, left hand side and right hand side, we can be removed. Okay, so let me show that. Let's write the same. Okay. Okay. Now we can divide it by 1 minus by 5 powered by 4. Okay. So both sides we have to do the same. Okay. So now you can see that we can remove it. And this divided by this equal to 1. And at this also the same. Okay. So now we can see 5 powered by 2x equal to 5 powered by 4. Okay. Now we can see the base 5 is the same both sides. Okay. So we can say 2x equal to 4. And then 2x equal to 4. We want to remove this 2, the number 2 at the x. So we have to divide it by 2. At the same side, we have to divide by 2. So x equal to 2. Okay. So final value is x equal to 2. So now let's verify it if it's correct.